we've got to talk about a very cool truck that if you were to go trucking, this would be one. We have a featured truck of the week. This one's by Charlie Tackaberry, and it is a beautiful international 1999 International F9370. Now he's pulling a 1987 utility trailer with it. It's got over 1.5 million kilometers on it for sure. But the coolest thing about this, if you know anything about the Tackaberry Collection, this thing is just done to the nines. Nothing has been spared. This is these internationals used to rule the road back in the day, and he's got it all touched up with the big Texas bumper on it, lots of chrome. It's got the breathers on it. He's got lights, a great light package, and utility trailer stainless. This thing is just ready for the road. Charlie doesn't leave anything undone. This is part of his antique collection, 50-year antique collection, and the interior is just as wild as the truck itself. I mean, he's got hardwood floors in it. He's got, all kinds of chrome. The switches are all dialed up, and he's got 2 sticks in there. They're both done up. Even the towel hanging on the door gives you the feeling that this guy, pride is all about what Charlie does. And if you know Charlie Tackaberry at all, you know that his collection does not go undone. So this is a beautiful ride that he's got. Just the seating, everything is just set up properly. The interior's dark brown, and with the hardwood floors, it really sets it off, and the chrome. Just a beautiful truck to be running in. Big Eagle sleeper on it, and this thing is ready for the road. I love the full fenders on the back for sure. Everything is polished to the nines, and he's even running a beautiful trailer that matches it with quarter fenders, light package underneath. Just a stunning truck. Red and black pinstripe paint on it. What else do you want? What else would you want? Anyway, thank you, Charlie, for such a great truck. It was nice to see that up at the Woodstock Truck Show for sure. If you're listening